Hi, my name is Mike from Lauren B, and today we're going to be discussing a very popular topic in the jewelry world, which is natural earth mined diamonds versus lab-grown diamonds. Before we ask you, the public, about what you think, let's do a quick background on each. Natural earth mined diamonds are formed from pure carbon crystals under the Earth's surface. It takes millions of years of high heat and pressure for these diamonds to form. Once polished, these gems become the sparkliest type of gem known to man. They also have the highest hardness rating, which makes it the standard for jewelry making and engagement rings. Laboratory-grown diamonds are a rather new phenomenon, and as the name suggests, they are man-made in a lab under conditions made to mimic the natural growth process. The end result is a gemstone that has the same exact physical and chemical properties of a natural diamond, making it impossible to detect the difference with the naked eye. Because they are lab-made at a faster rate, these diamonds come at a significant discount in price, upwards of 80% less than natural diamond prices, which has made them an attractive alternative for engagement ring and jewelry shopping. Today, we're going to ask the people of New York City to compare natural versus lab-grown diamond rings to see if they can tell the difference between the two. Then we will get their opinion to see which one they would prefer after knowing the difference between the two. Let's see what everyone thinks. These are two engagement rings. Okay. One of them is a natural and one of them is a lab-grown diamond ring. Would you be able to guess which is which?
Wow, they are almost identical.
I'm not an expert, but let me try.
Would you be able to guess the difference?
How will I know that you are telling the truth?
I have no clue. They look exactly the same.
When he turns it to the side,
Sure.
you can tell the sides are very different. So this one has more of like a flat side there.
This
than
one
that
looks a little bit thicker, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm.
I will see if I can tell a difference.
Okay.
That's the diamond, that's the fake one.
That is incorrect.
That's the real one, that's the fake one?
Yes, that's the lab. We don't want to say fake. We want to say
Okay,
lab grown.
sorry.
It's okay. So this is the lab grown and this is the natural diamond.
The top one is the real one.
You guessed correct.
I'll say the first one is real.
The top one?
Yeah.
The top one is the lab grown diamond. This is the natural and this is the lab. This one is natural. You are correct. This is the natural diamond and this is the lab.
Real lab.
You guessed correct.
I have no clue which one's real,
I
though.
do think this one's the real one.
You guessed correct. So this is the natural and this is the lab.
That's
I'm
really
gonna.
good though.
That is very good.
Like,
Very, very identical. I would never know.
Would you be able to guess the price difference? Would you want to know the price difference? Do you know the price difference right now?
Like $4,000.
For the lab, close. That was $3,800 for the lab. And how much do you think the natural is?
Like 12,000.
$17,500.
Wow.
This is artificial.
This is lab grown,
Yeah.
but we don't consider it artificial because it has the same chemical composition of a diamond, but this is the lab grown.
Yeah.
The price of the natural is $17,500.
Yeah.
The lab is $3,800.
Yeah.
The lab grown is available for $3,800. The natural is available for $17,500. These are two engagement rings. One of them is a natural and the other one is a lab. If you had to guess, would you be able to guess which is which?
I think this one is the natural.
These are two engagement rings. One is a natural, the other one is a lab. Can you guess which is which?
Is this top one the lab and then the bottom one's the natural?
You guessed correctly. All right. And if you were to pick one, which one would you pick?
The big one.
The big one, of course.
Was I correct?
Yes, you were correct. This is the lab, obviously, and this is it.
Yeah.
One of them is a lab, and the other one is a natural. If you were to pick, which one would you prefer? The smaller one. Well, that was a first for everyone who's picking, but this is the natural, and this is the lab-grown diamonds. One of them is a natural, the other one is a lab. They're the same exact price. Which one would you prefer for yourself?
The lab made.
These are two engagement rings. They are the same price. One of them is a lab and the other one is a natural. If you had to guess, or if you had to pick one, which one would you pick?
I guess the bigger one is the lab one, but just looks the same to me.
Thank you. And yes, you are correct. This is the larger one. This is the lab-grown diamond. Thank you for participating. Thank you for participating. Thank you for participating. Thank you very much. Well, thank you very much. Thank you for participating.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.